Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today we are going to learn how to make Shrikhand, a popular Indian dessert made from strained yogurt and flavored with sugar, saffron and cardamom. This creamy and delicious treat is perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. So let's get started. So first is stain the yogurt. First place a cheesecloth or muslin cloth over a strainer and pour the yogurt onto the cloth and tie a cloth and hang it over a bowl or sink for 4 to 6 hours to remove excess whey. This will give you thick and creamy strained yogurt, also known as chakka. Now prepare the saffron in a small bowl. Soak the saffron strand in warm milk or about 10 minutes. This will help release a beautiful color and aroma of the saffron. And third is mix the ingredient in a large mixing bowl. Combine the strained yogurt, powdered sugar, cardamom powder and saffron infused milk. Mix well until a sugar is dissolved on a mixture in a smooth and creamy texture. Then
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
chill the Shrikhand. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate the Shrikhand for at least 2 hours or until it's chilled and ready to serve. Then serve and enjoy. When you are ready to serve, scoop a Shrikhand into individual bowl or dessert glass. Garnish with chopped nuts. So guys, there have it. Making Shrikhand at home in easy, required just a few simple ingredients. Give this recipe a try and let's know how it turned out in the comment below. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more delicious recipe and cooking tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.